Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to open L805 Epson L805 printer. This is a mono inkjet printer and this contains 6 type of colors, and in this video I am going to show you how to disassemble the printer. First you have to open this cover. Just push the slider towards the paper pickup roller side. Here is a lock. You have to push the lock towards paper pickup roller and it will open. You can see the cover is open now, and there is two nuts in the back side. One is here and another is here. Two nuts in the back side and two in the front top side. One is on the left side of the printer top and another is down to the top cover. And four knots, one, two, back side two, four knots are open. And just release the ink unit and pull the top cover towards upside and the printer will open. You can see the printer is completely open. Thank you very much.